guys. Look, Secret Santa's here. Oh. All right, let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Ready? Okay. Check it out. Check it out. What's in there? What's in there? Come on. Oh. Oh, yeah. What is it? What's in there? Find it. Find it. Oh, Shermie! Good boy. What'd you find? What'd you find? Delta, find something. What's in there? Delta. Delta. What's in there? Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. What's in there? Oh, look at it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know you like it. Oh. Oh, Shermie loves his sheep. Come here. Delta. Delta. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Check it out. Come on. Check it out. Good job, dude. I love my cow. Open it up. Open it up. What's in there? What's in there, Delta? Good girl. Hey, baby girl. Look. Look. Oh, look. Oh. Oh. Okay. How about this? Here's one. Open it up, Sherm. Open it up. Get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. That's right. Get it. What's else in there? What is it? Oh, yeah. Find it. Find it. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Oh, tear the paper. Oh, tear the paper. Tear the paper. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks like people food. That's people food. Okay. We'll put that someplace else. Okay. Listen. There you go. And open up. Open that. Open that up. Open it up, sure. Delta. Get it, sure. Here's the expert toy opener. What is it, dude? What is it? Oh, it's a bony. It's a bony. Can I help you? Let me help you. Let me help. Good boy. Oh, buddy. It's a fresh Nylabone. Oh, we love those. There you go, baby. Delta.
You still got some paper on it.
What's that, Shermie? What's that? Here, open it. Get it open. Come on, get it open. Get it. Oh, look. Oh, these are great. Oh, these are great. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You got one more, guys? Well, they obviously are having such a good time, they can't get past the bones and the toy. Thank you, Melanie and Chris.
Thank you, Melanie and Chris.
Merry Christmas.
Everybody's
to all
happy
you.
here. There, we'll go out for the wide shot. Everybody's chewing up by the fire.